Hi again, everybody. It's Saturday morning, November 27th, 2021. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel for the week ahead. This is off the Excel calculator sheet itself. Sunday night open, 1800 hours, flat. We get a push up and back down, and then we have a bullish move throughout the day on Monday. That rolls over just after midnight. We have downward pressure into Wednesday on the green line. Let me pause. I'm going to recalculate and we'll pull in the December data as this calculator works month to month. Here's the Excel switched over to December. See, we're down through Wednesday till about 4 a.m. on the 2nd. Then we head back up, flatten out after the close, and then dip back down again Friday. So that's what the main trend line is looking for the week. We'll be back Sunday. We'll take a look at the December turning point dates on the daily bars. So we'll leave it at that. Short one today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another one. We will see you guys then.